Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCZ video. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Zombie Monster Dirt starter set by Spin Master. Well, welcome back everyone. Today I was very surprised to find these brand new Monster Dirt playsets in my stores. The only two I found today were Zombie, the starter set for Zombie, and also the Earthshaker starter set, which I will review this week or next week, depending on how many videos I have to make this week. But today will be the Zombie with the 8 ounces of Monster Dirt. Of course, this is just a starter set. The deluxe sets for a little more. I think it's double the price. This was like $8.99. For double that price, you get the Monster Dirt with 16 ounces of Monster Dirt and a bigger ramp and an exclusive truck. So this is the Zombie. I also found the brand new Alien Invasion, if we try to fit this in here, Alien Invasion Ship It and Flip It playset, which I will review once I'm done. Probably with this review, I'll review this next, and then I'll upload it after this video. And we're gonna open this up right now and take a look at all the features. But first, let's take a look at the back. So you can see there's Zombie with the Monster Dirt, and it has the kid playing with it and stuff. It shows you how to use the mold. Here's the other side, and there's the Zombie render. And of course it comes with one Zombie exclusive, which has black rims and dirt treads. And we're gonna open it up right now. So here we go. So here it is, the Zombie out of the box. Just is the same style Zombie. This is the untextured teeth, so they will be fixing this on future releases, not this specific one, but future releases of Zombie will have better texturing on their teeth. But this is pretty cool. It's like the singles one and the other playset Zombie, which came in the Zombie Takedown set. So it has a gray chassis, a black roll cage with a new chassis look. Here you can see the Monster Jam logo in there. That's a new molding to this chassis. Previously, I believe, let me see here. Yep, it previously was just an inner or like a little cutout piece there. But they did add a Monster Jam logo to that chassis. I believe they did that for the 124 scales as well. So that's a new chassis. I'm not sure. Yeah, see, it's actually a new implementation. The World Finals truck also does not have that. So it's relatively new. So you guys will be seeing that implemented into the newer trucks like this one. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So there's Zombie real quick. We will take a look at it closer up with the Monster Dirt. Let me take out this stuff here. And here's the set itself once I get it out of the box. So it comes with one of the bigger complaint cards. We have also the Monster Dirt itself inside of the little ramp, also the container, and one tool to use, the multi-tool to use on the set and the dirt. So I need to cut this open real quick. All right, and I cut it open, so now we can open this up. So here's your Monster Dirt. It is contained inside here. Again, it's 8 ounces of Monster Dirt, and it slides right out. So here it is, and it is Kinetic Sand by the makers of Kinetic Sand. It's also specially formulated to feel like the real track dirt, so it has more of a kind of like a dense texture to it to replicate the track dirt. So you can just put it back into its mold and recreate it over and over again. So it's pretty much unlimited playtime, and it never dries out. That's a good part of it. But I do recommend putting it on a hard surface that will not stain, because it does tend to stain lighter surfaces. That's why I'm using a second sheet of paper on my studio today, so I don't stain the actual studio paper. So there it is, the Monster Dirt, and here's the truck, the Zombie. Like I said, it has the black rims with the mud treads tires, or the muddy tires, and you can see there a gray chassis with a black roll cage with the newer molding for the roll cage. And there's Zombie, of course, with these nice arms that multi-function, so there's 2 moving parts, and they move separately from each other, so that's pretty cool. And you can see there's the details of the authentic Zombie monster truck. And here we go. So let's test out this Zombie playset here. All right, so basically Monster Dirt's pretty resilient, so you can pretty much play with it a bunch of times. You can of course build it into whatever you want. So if I want like a ramp like that, or if I want to use my multi-tool to smooth things out here, it will hold up to that shape for a while. It really takes some rough playtime with it to actually get it to flatten out. And of course, like I said before, if you just want to remold it, just kind of put into a little ball here, and then make sure you get all the Monster Dirt. Just doing this, it'll pick it up, and get it off your hands, and then put it in here and just press it, and it will reform to the molding that it was originally from. So like that. That's pretty poor molding. I should have done a better job, but you can see there, that's the point of the Monster Dirt mold. And it's unlimited. Again, you can do pretty much whatever you want with this stuff. You could build dioramas, little tracks inside of a little contained area. They will be releasing an arena playset later this year with Monster Dirt. I believe actually coming soon with Max D. It's a huge set with 2 pounds of Monster Dirt for those fans who want to build bigger and better playsets. So that's the Monster Dirt starter set. Again, only 8 ounces of Monster Dirt, but it's pretty relatively cheap to buy, and I recommend it to any collectors who enjoy this stuff. I really like to collect this stuff, and also, of course, the variants, kind of what I'm going for to buy this zombie here. So anyway, that's pretty awesome. I can't believe they're finally in stores. So brand new Monster Dirt sets are coming out hopefully soon. I found these at Target, so I would recommend checking Target. I also found the Mix 4 singles today. That's the case with Big Kahuna, Captain's Curse, and all those new trucks. So you guys can get out hunting. It's finally time to hunt down some new Spin Master stuff, and I'm very happy with all the stuff that's come out so far. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Reiner, Monster Jam OCD, signing out.